Would you like to learn how to draw an Easter lily? Just watch.
April 12th is Easter, and there's only one flower that can really capture the sacred spirit of the holiday: the Easter lily. The pure white color of this blossom has long symbolized the purity, hope, and new life of spring. Its beautiful trumpet shape makes it perfect to herald the fresh new season. So it's no wonder it's become one of the most popular blooms to decorate homes and churches during this time of year. But how did this pretty little flower come to be associated with Easter? Here's the full story of the Easter lily. How the Easter lily came to the United States. The Easter lily was officially discovered in 1777 by Swedish naturalist Carl Peter Thunberg in the Ryukyu Islands of Japan. After its discovery, the flower made its way to England in 1819 and then arrived at Bermuda in the mid-1800s. It was then named the Bermuda lily, but its name was eventually changed to Easter lily when the spring blooming flower was brought to Philadelphia and popularized there as an Easter blossom. A virus destroyed the Easter lily's production on the island of Bermuda, making Japan the flower's largest producer once again. It wasn't until World War I that the Easter lily started being produced in the United States, when a soldier, Lewis Horton, first saw the flower. He was so captivated by it that he brought a suitcase full of bulbs back home to the state of Oregon. In 1919, he started handing out the lilies to his friends who happened to be horticultural experts. As a result, large-scale production of the flowers spread across the west coast of the United States. And by 1945, more than 1,000 growers in Oregon and California were producing the bulbs, earning the region the title of Easter Lily Capital of the World. Today, Oregon and California grow 95% of all Easter lilies. Easter lilies are now one of the most popular potted plants in the United States, ranking with poinsettias, mums, and azaleas. The Easter lily and Christianity. Known to Christians as the white-robed apostle of hope, the Easter lily has also been a religious symbol since the birth of the Christian religion. The flower is even mentioned in the Bible quite a few times. It is said that when Eve shed tears of remorse as she and Adam left the Garden of Eden, white lilies sprang up where her tears fell. Easter lilies are also admired as a symbol of motherhood and the Virgin Mary. In artwork, she is often depicted receiving a bundle of white lilies from the angel Gabriel at Jesus' birth, and the flowers were said to have been found in her tomb after her death. The most famous biblical reference to the Easter lily is when Jesus told his followers, quote, "Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They toil not, neither do they spin, and yet Solomon in all his glory was not arrayed like one of these." It is also believed that the lilies grew where Jesus' sweat and tears fell to the ground during his crucifixion, Many churches today continue the long-held tradition and commemorate the resurrection of Jesus by adorning their altars with pure white Easter lilies. I'd like to share a poem by author Louise Lewin Matthews. Easter morn with lilies fair fills the church with perfumes rare. As their clouds of incense rise, sweetest offering to the skies. Stately lilies, pure and white, flooding darkness with their light. Bloom and sorrow drifts away on this holy, hallowed day. Easter lilies bending low in the garden afterglow bear a message from the sod to the heavenly towers of God. I just want to ask all of my viewers and subscribers to please be careful. Stay safe. Stay home. But if you have to go out, wear a mask. Keep your distance. And then once you come back, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids would like to wish everyone a very, very happy Easter.